All right. Let's check this thing out. Put it on stun. Slow here. Oh! Alright, so now titanium cat paw. So I had a lot of questions when I first bought it. I want to show you this. This has had a lot of use. That portion right there is worn out a little bit. We got another one right here. It's perfect. So well, it's got a little bit. So do you even know what that's for? Let me show you. I just drove this nail in because I got thinking about it. I was like, maybe not everyone knows what that's for. Come on over here. See the nail head through there? All right, I think they see it. Hopefully they do. So
it creates like a ring.
And the advantage of that is it allows the cat paw to go in there pretty easy. So for me, the biggest thing, I mean we use that all the time, but let's say you're on plywood. Actually, let me come in here. Let me just do, I gotta put this nail in again. Hold on here. Let me put this nail in again. Oh, she's hard. Okay, so I'm gonna show you right here. Now you could, to avoid ripping a bunch of the grain of the wood up, you could go this way. This is actually gonna rip it up the most, but okay, see that huge chunk of wood that I ripped up right there? See this right here? I'm gonna try to get this out without ripping up very much of the wood. Well, I guess my cat paw did some of the work right there, but. So it's really beneficial. Show the difference between this and this. Now that there's a huge exaggeration as to how I was doing that, but let's say on plywood, you don't want to rip a bunch of the grain up, and you're going to try to put a piece of plywood down. Come in there. Pow. One thing, the main portion of this video is, because a lot of you are going to know what that's for, but these things actually last. We're impressed with how sharp they are. Both of them have seen extensive use, and they're on that right there. I think this is a 20, I don't know how many ounce it is, but it's not used on a light finish hammer. These are always used on framing hammers. So, all right, that's it. Yeah, cool. Stiletto, titanium. And I'm sure Martinez has a pretty awesome one too. So I did want to point out one thing, that the edges have stayed sharp on these. The only thing that's showing really any wear is these portions right there. And of course the striking face. But yes, I know I'm gonna have people say, hey, you should have been wearing safety glasses, but I want you to know, sarcasm, for common nails only, wear safety glasses. So if you use ring shank, you're good to go. See ya.